Well lads, we're back again for another day. It's another night here. It's Friday night tonight, and tonight we're going to be doing some wiring. I was originally going to be doing, I ordered two things online. I ordered the hydro and the bumper, kind of, what you call them, fucking bumper holdy thingies. I don't know, it doesn't matter. You'll see that soon, probably tomorrow I'm going to film that. But I was going to film that today, but I ended up having to go cold, and I don't really want to go doing that at it's like 7 o'clock at night. So instead, what we're going to do is I'm going to do the wiring for the window switches, which is right here. Since I have the hydro, it should be here either next week or the week after. It should be here roughly the latest date it will be here is the 1st of March. So at least I want to be ready. So when it comes, all I got to do is make the bracket for it, fabricate the bracket, paint the bracket, and we'll be done with that. It's a nice small little job that I need to do. It's kind of the only little package I'm waiting on. But yeah, I'm not going to record me wiring the whole thing. Basically, I'll explain what I'm going to do, but I won't actually do it. But anyways, let's get on to making the bracket to put this in the car. Let's go. Alright, so the montage you just saw took over half an hour just to drill 4 fucking holes. I'm very annoyed. I kind of bent this corner because I just got so fucking pissed at it because the drill bit wouldn't just go through. I've gone through about 7 drill bits just to drill 4 fucking holes. Me being the dumbest that I am, I didn't realize that the drill bits that I've been using aren't really the right drill bits for the metal that I'm trying to drill. But the main thing is that it's drilled now. I'm going to clean it all up, and I'm going to drill the holes in. I don't even know what time it is. I don't know. Shouldn't be making this much noise, but the noise should be over. I think it's just making really loud noise, like bashing with hammers. I think wiring should be just chill. Not much noise, just hopefully. I think there's some heat shrink in here somewhere, hopefully as well. So, but yeah. I'm going to go back to montage, and yeah, back to time lapse. I've had it with this. Okay, turn down the coffee room. I've had it with this fucking hole. This bitch doesn't want to drill in the slightest. Doesn't want the screw going through it. Doesn't want the drill bit going through. Nothing at all. Again, this is because you're using the wrong bloody drill bit. Fuck all. I've got a brand new drill bit. Broke that. Tried putting the screw through it. Now the screw hole won't go fucking through it. So I'm done with it. I cannot be fucked. I'm too fucking annoyed, and it's gonna be good enough. So one day I'm gonna fight that. Today is not that day. Tonight is not that night. This is getting later and later. I don't really run 3 screws. And yes, it does look all chipped and bashed and battered. At some point I'll repaint it, but right now I just want to get it to work. And I'll be fucking happy. So, basically, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go get in the car, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, and I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to film it, I'm just going to get on and just get it done. Because I want it done, because tomorrow I'm either going to go doing coilovers or doing bumper stuff. Well lads, just jumping in here just really quickly to let you know that we're not lowering the car anymore. There's a multitude of reasons why, but I plan on making a full video when the car is finished, on why we aren't going out and why we aren't doing that. And yes, I do look like shit. I have COVID, so go fuck yourself. I don't know. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. But anyways, let's go outside and show you guys what we're going to be doing. I'm fucking pissed. So before I go outside and show you the car, I'm just going to show you the setup that I have. So basically, it's not the smartest idea to go cutting wires with the battery connected. And if I don't have the battery connected, I can't charge my phone, and I can't use the in-car radio, obviously, because there's no power. So here's my setup. I'm going to bring this big lump of cable, run it from in here in the shed. I've got a battery pack to charge my phone, because my phone is already dead. Got a random ass speaker that I found, and my soldering iron should be in here somewhere. And basically, I'm going to run that out there and basically listen to, and then have that as my setup. So you'll probably see better footage of that. But anyways, let's go and show you guys what I'm actually going to be doing. Alright, so you now join me inside the automobile, and we're just about to put the switch panel in for the first time. I drilled a hole in this end. I didn't realize you do that one in there as well. You can't really see. Can I get the... It's a smaller hole, but I'm probably going to need a bigger hole. I was just scared that there's the indicator and the locks are here, so I don't want to break these, so... yeah. But anyways, let's throw this in and see how well it fits. Yeah, that actually looks sick. Perfect. It actually kind of looks factory. Kind of, not really. That's gonna be tight as shit. So yeah, I could not maybe just not wire it and just leave it like this, but I kind of want to wire it. Not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm just gonna wire it and have the gaps here, but have the windows here. I think it'd be kind of cool. Also, our switch panel is looking sick. This look really good together. I might wrap this in duct tape too. I don't know. What you guys think of the wrap duct tape? I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. But anyways, now that you've seen that, now I've got to go through the pain of trying to make all of this work, and hope to Christ that it does. Actually, I need to get masking tape. Actually, I'll show you guys. I won't show you guys the wiring. I'll show you guys everything up to the wiring step by step. But anyways, let's get into that. I'm apologizing. I'm probably dazzling you right now. So let's go. Okay, literally 2 seconds later, it's all out. Basically, for those of you who don't know how you take off the BMW surround, basically, it is, you pull up, where is it? You take off this piece. This piece will uncover just this bare thing on top. There'll be 2 screws just there at the bottom. You take that out. And then these guys, you pull them out by pushing this back piece and then pulling down, and they should come out. The cool thing is that on every BMW model, these guys are the same size, but the switches are in different places. So in the 320D, or in the Estate that I have, sorry, there's 2 switches here, which is this is made for, as you can see. And there's a lock window button on this side, which will make the hole bigger. But this, but I only realized after the fact that I cut these holes, I made these holes, that this car will have wind-up windows in the back. That's why there's only 1 switch here, because you can control all the windows from here, which is kind of cool. But anyways, without further ado, well, there's only literally 4 wires. I thought there was like 5 million wires. There's 4 wires on that side. There's like 4 wires on that side. So now I have to try and wire all that up. I don't know if that's dazzling you, if you could see me. I didn't watch the footage from yesterday, to be honest. I literally didn't even watch it, because I got in and I was just so... Or was it yesterday? Was it before? It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I now have to go wire all this shit. So I will see you guys when I have all that wired. So it is roughly 11:10 at night. 11 o'clock at night, and I finally got it. I don't know if you can tell, but this is all ice. I don't know if this will come across on camera, but this is all iced over. I'm being very quiet right now because, again, it is 11 o'clock at night at the moment. But wait, can I just connect the battery? I think it did. But after many attempts, let's hop on in here. Just plug in the other window regulator here. Okay. Let's see if both of them work. Turn the key. Okay. So it pulls all the way down. There's a little bit of trouble getting up because the car's not on, but I'm not going to turn it on. It's 11 o'clock at night. But driver's side window works. Let's try the passenger side. It's a bit cold, so it's kind of getting stuck. Oh, don't. No. Please. God damn it. Not now. But the battery does come up, I swear. On the window does come up. I'm so fucking happy. I'm gonna get this all buttoned up and hopefully roll up that window, and I'll get back to you guys with that in probably an hour. I don't know. But I'm so happy it fucking works. Let's go. Alright, welcome back to... It is now the next day. So last night I got defeated because the wires for the driver's side window weren't long enough. So I just gave up, I went in and I slept. So I've now woken up and I realized that I was one wire short on... So there's 4 wires and 1 wire was extended, the rest of the 3 weren't to the same length, so it broke. But now they are in the car. And as you can probably tell, they are... So they're in, but they've been put a little bit of duct tape on them, kind of to go with the switch panel, which has also got a bit of duct tape on it. And it actually looks really happy. I'm really happy with it. It came out pretty fucking decent. Anyway, and the windows do... Actually, I haven't tried it. Why are the wipers on? Okay, I haven't actually tried it with the new thing in, so let's try. That makes you feel happy. Look at that. That's cool. I'm really happy with that. So now, yeah, I still don't know how long this video is going to be, but anyways, so yeah, so now we're just waiting on the hydro to come in, so then I can start making mounts and brackets for the hydro. And then you won't have this, you won't be able to see this kind of disgustingness with these holes and shit. We'll be able to install a new plate, paint it. I don't know if I either want to spray paint it or if I want to go over it with duct tape like I have everything else. But yeah, I'm really happy with all this. I'm really excited. One thing, if you are going to try and do this yourself, one thing I would like to say, watch out, because you have to deal with this indicator switch. It's a big bastard. It's not like this is like a full-on module, just like the windows were. So if you're trying to do this yourself, get long cable, because you have to try and either go around it or under it. So I'm very excited. But actually, I'll show you what did come in yesterday. I'm gonna try and wedge this into the steering wheel here. Okay. These came in yesterday. If you don't know what these are my quick bumper disconnects that I want to put on the front and rear bumper. Now, I originally, on Amazon, I bought these on Amazon, and I tried ordering the ones with none of the lettering on them, but they came with the lettering, so it does say PWJDM, and this is a German car, but I really couldn't give 2 shits. If I really wanted to, I could probably paint these, but... So basically, we're doing quick disconnects on the front and rear bumper. Front and rear bumper. Fuck, I'm not with it today. I'm so fucking tired. The front and rear bumper. So I've got 2 packets ordered off Amazon, because this car's going to be run a little bit lower. And when I'm doing the front bumper, we're going to install the bash bar as well, so you guys get to see that. So yeah, I'm gonna actually show you guys how I do that. But gonna be time lapse. I'll show you guys the bash bar. This is my phone. I was so tired last night. I came in from